Tamim Iqbal middling the ball straight away. Shows that what good touch he is in. Oh, what a shot. The fielder got a hand to it, but still too much power. So the first boundary for Tamim Iqbal, and Pakhtoons are on their way.
Oh, Shehzad, take that. That is a magnificent shot.
And this was just perfectly dropped down by Merchant Delanga, and Mr. Shehzad were waiting.
Punched. Oh, what a shot. That is a power-packed shot. Hit with tremendous power. A real sapil solid shot, that is. Oh, Shehzad. That is a cracking shot again, holding the post after that shot. Another delightful sapil solid shot.
Well, just putting in the slot for him. Anwar has been brought in, but look at that, just making room, holding back in his crease, and holding the position again.
Oh! He's going after him. Now, will this be taken by someone? No, it's on the roof, no question. Look how far it went on the roof. My goodness, it went high and far. And they were all... Look at Anwar Ali's reaction. He knew straight away. 100 meters on the roof.
Over covers, over point actually, and another boundary. So Anwar Ali has been taken to the cleaners by Ahmed Shehzad.
He slices it. Is it taken? It is. Good catch. That's the kind of inspiration you need.
The Yorker, just Tamim Iqbal trying to slice it past point. Just not getting enough bat on it. Straight to the fielder. Anwar Ali, some respite for him. Picks up a wicket, went for 19 in the first over. But thanks for that power play rule that the fielder was in, otherwise he would have been at the boundary. So, first wicket goes down, Tamim Iqbal departs for 8, Pakhtoons are 46 for 1.
High, very high. In fact, it's in the... Taken.
There's always a worry that if at all he was going over, he'd have chucked the ball back, saved some run for the team. Yes, it's a clean catch. So Ahmed Shehzad departs after a brilliant 38. It's 48 for 2 for Pakhtoon.
Oh, my goodness. My goodness. That's 6.
Oh, are we in for a treat? We are in for a Shahid Afridi special. Oh, smoked it. Slower one. Wrong length.
Fakhr Zaman hitting it over deep and wide long on. He was not going mid-wicket or square leg. Look where he's going. Bowled him. This is big. This is a huge wicket. Shahid Afridi was going for a walkabout.
Again, that reverse which I was saying. Oh, and the stump has gone to the Carpenters. 23 of 10 by Afridi. Pakhtoons are 78 for 3.
Fakhr Zaman. Is that... Oh, he dropped him, I think. Did he catch it in the crowd?
Full length. Just scooped out by the wrist. Can you imagine this? Just a spoon shot. How supple and strong are the wrists. And oh!
Was it?
Has he got it? He's got it.
He's got
it.
Another one. Now, will this be taken in the crowd? No, it hasn't reached the crowd. Fakhr Zaman. He is a class act. can really hit the long ball. Oh, where has that gone? Good effort, he couldn't get a hand to it. Oh, this time over cover. It's gone into the crowd.
Well, Fakhar Zaman is making a name for himself.
Look at this. You were talking about the bat speed. That's another example of it.
Well, two brilliant shots on both sides of the pitch. It has gone out of the park as well.
Another one. That's high, high, high. There is a fielder. He takes it. That can be the match-turning catch. Pakhtoon Saman walks back.
And it was David Miller once again, safe as houses. Safe pair of hands. There was no doubt that he was going to take it. Just scooping it up. Getting the height but not the distance. Safe. So big breakthrough for Bengal Tigers. Fakhar Zaman was threatening to take the game away from them. 31 of just 11 deliveries. Pakhtoons are now 106 for 4. Oh, out of the park. Smoked it. What a start to the over. This is going to be a humdinger. Bengal Tigers got 23 in the last over when they batted.
Liam Dawson, welcome to the crease. Another one, another one. He's got 2 out of 2. It's on the roof. Now it's down to 5 of 4.
Well, with the wrist spinner is always a danger of pitching his shot. Dawson was clever. He was waiting for that. It's such a placid pitch. No turn, no grip. Spinner is a sitting duck.
Punches him, 4. That's the victory. Sapras is not happy.
What a fantastic win for Pakhtoons, and the Pukhtoon camp is enjoying it.
And this is how the match ended. Look at the scores. Bengal Tigers 126 for 2, and that looked a very good score until the Pakhtoons made 130 for 4, winning the game by 6 wickets off the last ball.